Hey guys, what is up? RedPandaMining here. How you guys all doing? I hope you're all doing really well and having a great day. In this video, guys, I'm just going to be giving an update of my 12 GPU mining rig Condo project. So just showing you guys what I've been doing so far. I've been slowly putting it all together. I know, I've been procrastinating, but here's the part 2, guys. So I'm just going to give you an update of what I've been doing so far. Okay. So, for some people that don't know what I'm doing here, I'm planning on having a grow tent, a grow tent here somehow, and having this 12 card rig inside. Now, I'm still trying to figure out if I'm gonna get like a wider grow tent so I can, take all this stuff out and have potentially 2 rigs, space for 2 rigs. So in case for future expansion. I would like to get the opinion from you guys in the comments, so let me know. Okay, and of course I'm going to give you guys some update on the electrical, right? As you can see right there. I'm going to be getting my buddy to come in and install a 240 plug, so that's actually going to be happening today. And we got all the parts already for that. So as you guys can see here, we got a 10-2 gauge 25-foot power cable, I guess. So we're not going to be using 25 feet. And as well, we have the L630R receptacle plug for my lovely PDU, which I will show you guys in a second. I just got it, brand new. And as well, this is the 30 amp breaker for 240 volts. So that's gonna go right into the circuit breaker, the main circuit breaker. And as well, this is just the cover for the receptacle that's gonna go on top of the wall, which is actually gonna go right here. So you can see that the circuit panel, you guys can see that the circuit panel's right here, right? And so my buddy's gonna put it right there, and then he's gonna put it right through here, going through the wall and right outside to here. It's gonna look like this. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, so pretty easy, really short. The reasoning that we want it here is because in case it might not, be here for, another year or so, and we may need to take it down, right? So we don't want it to be too conspicuous, so we're just gonna have it here. And if we need to take it out, we can take it out easily. So short run, short 240 volt run. Pretty excited. That's gonna be good. Okay, so that's the parts here needed for the 240 volt, and my buddy's gonna come in today to do that. And then what else do we got here? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my triplet PDU. So I just got it. So here's a 240 volt plug. This is a 10-foot cable, 10 gauge cable that goes into this guy right here. So this is a triplet PDU. It has 2 15 amp breakers, and as you guys can see how long it goes, it's pretty long. And this is a metered 30 amp 240 volt PDU, power distribution unit. And you guys may know that I actually do have another one of these at my second location. You guys may have seen in my other vlogs. And yeah, I'm such a fan of the triplet PDU. It just works so well. And it's metered as well, so we'll be able to see how much amps are going into each bank. So there's 15 amps and 15 amps on this side. So you can see 15 amps go there, I can utilize on this side, and another 15 amps I can utilize on this side. So together, safely, I'm not going to be going up to 30 amps, obviously. So on the website, the triplet website recommends that, you can go up to 24 amps on this whole PDU, so that's about 5.8 or 5,800 watts, okay? So this whole PDU will be able to go to under 5,800 watts maximum safely. I'm probably not going to go up to 5,800 watts for this whole setup. I don't know what I'm going to be putting it in yet, but give or take, at best, I don't want to go over 20 amps, okay? So I don't want to go over maybe 5,000 or 4,800 watts, just to be safe. And yeah, so that's the PDU, guys. So I got that. I got it brand new for about $300 Canadian. It's about, I would say, $220 USD. So link in the description if you guys want to see the model. I'm going to update you guys on the power supply situation for this rig. So as you guys know, I made 2 6-card Veta frames. Oh no, they're called Astron actually. The 6-bay Astron mining frames. And as you guys know, I put the gigabyte B250 motherboard in, B250 FinTech motherboard, which has 12 PCIe ports. And I got a G3930 processor and 8 gigs of RAM. So that's good to go. But the power supply situation, I'm not really sure what I'm going to be doing it. Of course, I do have this 1200 watt HP server power supply, and it does up to 1200 watts maximum on 240. Okay, so the really big reason why I got the PDU and I want to get the 240 volt in is because I can use these kind of power supplies for more efficiency. And if I weren't to do 240 volts, then if I just did regular 120, I would only get around 900 or 800 watts on this HP server power supply. But now that I'll be able to go to 240, I can do 1200 watts. So that's gonna be awesome. And so here's the breakout board, and I have the extra cabling for it. I'll be definitely using one of these HP server power supplies for this whole rig, maybe two. Depends on which cards I use, right? So I'm not really sure. I haven't gotten the cards yet, and I know a lot of people are wondering. So, and I got some extra splitter cables. Yeah, that's pretty much it for here. So I'm gonna get my buddy's gonna be here pretty soon to install all of this electrical stuff, guys. So we will see it here in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't this exciting or what? It's finally in. My buddy came, installed it, and you guys may be wondering, it should have been on this side. What happened, Red Panda? Well, my buddy, we drilled a hole in here, and we figured out that there's actually a big metal beam going right here. So we weren't able to get our 10-2 cable through the beam, the wall, the metal beam, and then into the side of the main breaker panel. So we decided, okay, well, let's just put it here instead. Much easier and less hassle to go through the metal beam. There's no way to go through. So yeah, so the 30 amp breaker's in, guys. As you can see, 2 hot wires. We did a multimeter and showed that there was 120 going to each run, going to each hot run here. And it's working great, guys. Look at this. It's going down here and up to the PDU here. And you can probably see the lights on the PDU right now, posting 0 amps on each bank. So pretty exciting, guys. I finally got the power in. I'm ready for 240 volt now, okay? Awesome. Okay, now finally, guys, I just wanted to end off with my motherboard here. I'm trying to figure out if my U-bit risers with the provided USB cable that goes into the motherboard, if it was long enough to go down into the farthest video card. So I just have a test video card here in RX 480, and I got the cable going down. So I'm not quite happy with this length. I'm on the last PCIe slot here. I'm going to be looking to see if I can get a little bit longer USB cables, male to male, so that I could safely also have some nice cable management to go down through the back here or through the side here, and then have all the 6 cards on the bottom nicely cable managed. And to have the cards up here for the U-bit risers and the USB cables is no problem at all. So because I'm having the motherboard up here. So yeah, that was just one thing. It was pretty tight when I had a card on this side. I also tested on this side as well. It's actually pretty tight. So I'm gonna have to purchase or find out a little bit longer, just a bit longer USB cable. It works, like I'm happy with it, but I could definitely make do with a little bit longer USB cables. Alright guys, so that is the update to my 12 GPU mining rig condo project. So I got the power in, we got the mining rig frame, everything, motherboard, power supplies. I just need to order some C13 to C14 power cables. I'll order just a whole bunch of those. And as well, graphic cards, of course. I need the graphic cards. Oh, I need a hard drive as well, and I'm just gonna get a SSD. And that's it. So cards and SSD and power cables, and I'm probably good to go. Oh, and the grow tent. Oh my goodness, I cannot forget the grow tent. That'll probably be the next episode when I figure out a massive grow tent with the inline fans and going out the window and HVAC stuff. That's gonna be interesting. All right, guys. Well, let me know what you think, and if my buddy did a good job or not. Probably not. You guys are probably gonna rip in the comments. I can't wait. So let me know what you guys think, and I appreciate you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one, and peace out.